Hi there, welcome back. Great to see you all back here. I know how much you all love my one pot dishes. They really are handy, delicious and save so much time. So I'm going to make a one pot roasted tomato orzotto. Lots of you have got your own tomatoes at home and it's a great way to use them up. I'll be using cherry tomatoes today. Some of you may not know what orzo is. Well, I have some here. And it's a rice-shaped pasta. You can pick it up in lots of stores. I got mine in Asda. It really is nice. What I love about it is it absorbs the lovely flavours from this dish. For any of you who like some meat in your dishes, I'm going to give you some tips at the end to show you how you can get meat into this. So to get started, you need a large casserole dish, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm also going to add balsamic vinegar. This one is from Aldi, and I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons. Now for the main ingredient, I've got some lovely big cherry tomatoes here. You can add your own tomatoes, maybe cut them in 4. 3 cloves of garlic chopped nice and fine. I've got some dried thyme, 1.5 teaspoons. If you have fresh thyme, you could put in 5 sprigs of it, but you'll have to remove it later on when you've cooked everything. And some salt and pepper. Give that a little mix together. Smells lovely. I forgot one ingredient, a very important one. 1 large red onion, and I've chopped it nice and fine too. Get that all in there. One last mix. This is going into the oven now, uncovered for about 25 minutes. I want the onions to caramelise and the tomatoes will be lovely and juicy when they're roasted. So let's get it into the oven now. I've just taken my dish out of the oven. There's gorgeous smells in my kitchen from the tomatoes, the garlic and the red onion and the balsamic vinegar. I'm going to give this a little stir. Alright, so into here I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. If you have sun-dried tomato paste, it'd be nice as well. You could add that instead of the puree. 300 grams of my orzo. Mix all this together. And now I'm going to add in my vegetable stock, and I've got 750 ml of hot vegetable stock. Important to use hot stock. And give everything a little mix. I'm going to get the lid on. You can place this on your cooker and simmer it for about half an hour. I'm going to put it into the oven for half an hour, and halfway through I'm going to give it a stir. Before you take it out, if you think it's a little bit dry, add some extra hot water. So let's get it into the oven now. Here we have it, everyone. It's fully cooked, looks gorgeous, smells delicious. You can see the rice has absorbed a lot of the liquid, but there's still some liquid in it. Look at that. If it happens to be a little bit dry, you could add some hot water to it and just give it a stir. When I make this for a special occasion, I add cream. You could add creme fraiche, mascarpone. It just gives it a lovely creamy texture, a little bit richer too. And I'll include the amounts in the recipe if you do want to add any of those to it. So I'm going to give it a good stir together. If you like, you can add some cooked chicken to this or some cooked prawns, and it'll be really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grate over a little bit of Parmesan. That's it, everyone. My roasted tomato orzotto, a lovely recipe. It's full of flavour, absolutely beautiful. Add a little bit of cooked chicken or prawn to it if you want a little bit of meat in there. Try out the recipe. I really hope you enjoy it. And let me know in the comments down below if you do. I always like to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow and share my videos. Happy baking, everyone, and enjoy. See you soon.